What's up guys, hope you're all doing well. Just a little vlog for you today really. If you haven't noticed, it's pretty sunny, pretty warm out. So me and Connor, we're gonna have a little day. I'm house sitting for my dad at the moment, he's away, so we're at his. He's got a massive pond, and I know it's a bit green, I know that, but it's like 24 degrees today, which is baking for the UK. So we're gonna have a little day. We're gonna have a little, start that again. We're gonna have fun today. We're just gonna chill out, get some of the vehicles out, maybe have a bit of a spin on them, maybe go for a bit of a dip. But yeah, we're just gonna enjoy a nice summer day, aren't we? Let's do it. Go man, go. No, oh my god, he's done it. Is it cold?
You bet it is.
Right, I suppose I better get in now then. Is it nice and cold?
Yeah, definitely.
Good.
It's all nice.
It is so cold. It is cold beyond belief. It is so mad. I've got the GoPro out again. I also got this camera as well. I might get my drone out in a bit, but oh, I did the biggest backslap on the water ever, didn't I?
Yeah.
It was so mad. Connor's just chilling out in a little rowing boat. But oh god, it's so nice. It's like having your own private pool, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
But just a much greener and dirtier one. We're done with the little makeshift swimming pool that we had. Good laugh, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Definitely.
I really liked it, it was good. We've got a new toy to play with. The buggy. So yeah, have a bit of spin on this. Yeah, and just chill out for the afternoon. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I love going on this, so let's go. I suppose better end the vlog here then.
Yeah.
We've had a wicked day, haven't we?
Yeah, exactly.
Really good.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's been wicked. So me and Kath are off to Krakow in 2 weeks. So yeah, we'll have another video for that. But just thought I'd make one today because it's so nice out. Until next time, amigos. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
Cheers.